Hello.
Hi. How can I help?
My Hisense mini fridge makes a horrible crack noise when set even to the lowest temperature.
How old is your Hisense fridge? Does the noise get louder or softer when changing the temperature setting?
2 weeks.
How long has this been going on with your Hisense refrigerator? What have you tried so far?
Ever since I plugged it in, when I look inside, the white block in the back is frozen and then it starts to crack.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Or make the cracking noise?
Thank you for your question. I am reviewing it and will respond in a moment. One of the most common reasons for popping noises in your refrigerator is thermal expansion. Refrigerators are generally cold appliances, but they change temperatures regularly as the cooling cycle turns on and off and as the defrost system does its job of melting the frost off the evaporator coil.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.